olete näinud siin, saanud niimoodi passiivselt pealt vaadata, kuidas neid tantse tantsitakse. Aga meil on väike üllatus, nimelt meil on Indiast külas 2 noormeest, kes tulevad kohe siia poole. Uurime, mis nende nimed on, mis nad siin teevad ja siis vaatame, mis neil meile plaanis on. So, what's your name? What are you doing in Estonia?
My name is AP Singh. I am from India. There is a small state called Punjab, and I speak Punjabi. I am from Sikh community, and this is called turban. And if someone wants to try a turban, you can always come to that side. And yeah, I love Estonia.
Hey, I am Gaurav. I come from one of the biggest city of the world called Mumbai. I am a part of ISEC in Estonia. I am working with the national committee here. Today we are presenting a country, India, where we will be explaining everyone what is our culture. Why are we guys dressed in this attire? And Estonia is beautiful. Thank you.
Aap ja Karav on siis kaugelt Indiast, Aap on Mumbai regioonist ning Karav on siis, vastupidi, Aap on siis Punjabi regioonist ja Karav on Mumbaist, suurimast linnast maailmas. Ja Aap töötab siis meil siin lühemat aega Eestis, on juba mõne nädalaga siin seda riiki õppinud armastama, ilus maa ja nii edasi. Ja Karav on siin pikemat aega, juhib siis ISEC-i organisatsiooni rahvuslikul tasandil Eestis. So, what are you guys planning on doing with us?
We are going to dance on our Punjabi song. We speak Punjabi. That is there's a song called Tunuk Tunuk. We are going to dance on it, and you are also going to come join with us.
We have 3 songs prepared for everyone. One is Tunak Tunak Tu. After that, we want everyone to join us with some Indian dance type. So it would be good to see everyone dancing with us. And the third song, I want everyone to be on the dance floor.
paljusid julgeid, kes on rahva seas kaasa ühinenud, kõigil on see luba olemas, valesid liigutusi ei ole olemas, nii et tundke lihtsalt rõõmu ja tantsige kaasa.